Hey, it's Kristen with Off-Leash K9 Training in Orlando. I am here with my newest board and train named Daisy. Daisy is approximately 1 year old and she is a Doodle. Her parents did say that she has a little bit of obedience. She's just not super consistent. Good girl. Their main things with her is just in the house. She gets extremely excitable. She runs around. She's kind of crazy. She also likes to run away. If they have her outside, they don't have a fenced-in yard, she will take off and not come back when she's called. So they're just really looking to kind of give her good obedience, be able to take her places off leash, and most importantly, have her be calm in the house. So let me show you what Daisy already knows. Daisy, come. Yes. Daisy, sit. Sit. Good. Daisy, down. Sit. Daisy, down. Daisy, break. Good girl. Daisy, heel. Heel. Yes. Heel. Yes. Daisy, heel. Heel. So, as you can see, she's not terrible. She understands sit. She understands down. She just gets a little overly excited and isn't necessarily able to hold the command. She wasn't dragging me on the leash, but she wasn't, walking really perfectly either. So we're just gonna work on getting everything cleaned up for her and most importantly, teach her to be calm inside the house. So stay tuned over the next 2 weeks. Check back on Daisy.